How to change League of Legends font to Korean. To get started, go ahead and open LOL on your device. So you can do this both on their website or the LOL client or the Riot client on your PC or laptop. Now in here, go ahead and click on this globe icon and scroll down and look for that Korean language from here. Once you have found that Korean language, click on that Korean language and your page will reload. After that, all of the displays on the League of Legends page would be in Korean. So this also applies for the League of Legends client, the Riot client that you have on your PC. If you change your language to Korean, all of the text displays be of the Korean language. Make sure that you know how to read Hangul before you change it into Korean if you want it for aesthetic purposes. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.